Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Farhana, name 031, from the regular class. Here I will present about dementia. Definition of dementia. Dementia is a syndrome that is associated with decreased brain function, such as reduced memory, decreased thinking skill, understanding things, considering and understanding language, and decreased mental intelligence, where a syndrome is a collection of symptoms that are interrelated and or occur together. In the case of dementia, the symptoms that arise are due to brain failure. This syndrome generally affects elderly people who are over 65 years of age. And next, symptom of dementia. In general, the symptom of dementia can be divided into two groups, namely cognitive disorder and non-cognitive disorder. Cognitive complaints consist of memory problem, especially the ability to learn new material, which is often the illness complaint. Old memory can be impaired in advanced dementia. Some of the symptoms and sick that most often arise in cognitive dysfunction include lack of memory, difficult communicating and finding the right word, reduced visuospatial ability is the ability to place an object or image in a place or room, difficult in answer question and solving a problem, difficult in planning and managing something, difficult coordinating body movement, and confusion and disorientation. Non-cognitive disorder in dementia include physiological disorders such as change in personality and behavior, depression, anxiety, paranoid, fear, agitation, uh, rowdy, restless, revelation, and hallucination. And next, cause of dementia. Dementia is caused by damage to brain nerve cell in certain parts. Third, reducing the ability to communicate with other nerve in the body and resulting in the appearance of symptom in accordance with the area of the brain that is damaged. There are various conditions in the case of dementia. There are types of dementia that develop progressively. Progressive dementia is a condition caused by damage to contain brain nerve cell and can worsen over time. This condition general cannot be completed reversed. Some types of progressive dementia include Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, Lewy body dementia, frontotemporal dementia, and mixed dementia. And next, dementia care. Almost all cases of dementia cause someone to seek care at home because of the symptom they experience. Therefore, patients need help from you and from family. Some of things you can do to treat dementia patient are you must help the patient follow the treatment recommended by the doctor. In fact, arrange a routine follow-up treatment schedule so that his body condition remains healthy. And then you need to help the patient to do self-care, such as preparing food and making sure that his diet is according to the doctor recommendation, cleaning his body, and getting him to do various activities that benefit his brain health, such as gardening or sport. And then try to communicate with the patient in the right way by using easy to understand word choice, not rushing thing, and using gesture to include something. And then most important is how you can keep the patient emotion stable. Avoid harsh speech and don't ignore it. And next, thank you for attention. Apologies if there is a wrong word, and I hope the material I convey can be well received and of course it can be useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.